This is Poultry farm. This is 6 kVA solar farm is right there that provides the 24/7 electricity. It has roughly 10,000 birds capacity, a little bit more. And these are the birds right now. Light. And they have been just fed. This is the eggs in the storage. Some of the birds have been taken out because they have been injured. These are the large fans are running to keep it cool. Although this is the month of November. These are the cages being fed. All the birds are here, and right now the capacity of these birds is increasing but have not reached to the 90-95% which we hope that should be in 10-15 days. Okay, that's it.